Have you been ever told to do smart work rather than hard work? Yes, I'm sure every one of us have heard this advice, from our supervisors, our colleagues, our teachers. Even I have heard this advice many times, and this made me really think more on this. Like, what is smart work? Is it a complete new different kind of working? किस चिड़िया का नाम है? Should I completely leave the hard work and concentrate on smart work? And then I started doing some research around this. Believe me, smart work is the need of the hour, definitely. But hard work is something which is the foundation of smart work, right? Hard work is, or rather, these two approaches. These are the two approaches of working. When I say that hard work ideally requires us to put long hours in the work to achieve a certain result, while approaching that work smartly, we can get the same results, however, with shortcuts. Now, those shortcuts are something which we can achieve through the tools, technologies, and the techniques, and also with the help of planning and prioritization. Okay. Smart work is often the result of hard work, because to do any kind of work you need in-depth knowledge and the insights into that, and that you can get only through the hard work. But continuously approaching the same work and the same topic monotonously, spending long hours, it's not desirable. After certain levels, you should apply some techniques, some kind of tools and technologies to automate that work, which will turn it into a smart work. Okay, so ideally reducing the efforts to get the results, and applying some brains to achieve the desired result. Okay, by reducing your labor, that is where the smart works it comes in. Now, what are the benefits of smart work? Ideally, when we reduce the working hours, okay, and achieve the same results, the spare time that we get, okay, can be put for a productive use. It can be put for more tasks, complex tasks that we want to do or want to achieve. Also, we can invest that time in learning. So definitely there are a lot of advantages of doing smart work, but we have to remember that the foundation of everything is the hard work. So we have to acquire the knowledge, get into the depth of the subject, and then only we can figure out how to work that or do that particular thing smartly. So definitely this technique we should apply, and I suggest let's do smart work in our passionpreneur journey. Also, we are given multiple, we have to do multiple tasks, we have to take multiple actions. Okay, so yes, by putting some measures, some using some tools and technologies, we can turn that monotonous task or challenges into more fun and be more productive. So that is my advice to you. Thank you for watching my live video. Mayuresh signing off. Bye bye, have a good evening.